Hi all. Today we will see about structure of C program. I'm MK Nivodhini, working as assistant professor in KSR College of Engineering. If we see the structure of program, let me start the slide. The structure of C program consists of 6 parts. First one is documentation. Next one is preprocessor section. Next is definition, global declaration, main function, and subprograms. Let's see each section in detail one by one. In documentation section, it consists of the description of the program, name of the program, and the date and time of the program. It is specified at the start of the program, generally in the form of comments. If we have a single line comment, we will give us /. Suppose we have to document multiple line, we will start with / and star, and end at the end of the line, we will put star and the /. And the next one is the preprocessor section. Usually, the header files will be declared in the preprocessor section. All the header files will help us uh, to insert the program in the process of compilation. For example, #include stdio.h and #include math.h. Next one is definition section. Preprocessors are generally declared in this section. Preprocessor programs that process our source code before the process of compilation. It usually starts with the hash symbol. And whenever it is encountered by the compiler, it is replaced by the actual piece of defined code. For example, we will define as #define float by 3.14. So whenever the program sees the variable name pi, it will in that place 3.14 will be replaced. Next one is the global declaration function. Global declaration. The global declaration section consists of global variables, function declaration, and the static variables. The variables and functions which are declared in this scope can be used anywhere in the program. For example, int a equal to 40. In the entire program, a can be used anywhere. And next one is the main function, and each C program must have a main function. The main function is the return type of the main function can be a void or int. Operations like declaration and execution are performed inside this curly braces. Usually, if the main program doesn't have any return type, we can give as void main. Suppose if you are returning any value, we can give the as int main. Suppose it is returning an integer value. If you put any return type, the value must be returned, else we can put as void main. And next one is the subprograms or user-defined function part. Usually the user-defined functions are declared in this section. The control of the program is shifted to the called function whenever they are called from the main or outside the main function. They are specified as per the requirements of the programmer. Let's see an example. In this example, it is a simple addition program with the help of the user-defined function called sum. The first one is the documentation section. In this, we just given the heading of this program. This is just describe the structure of the C program. Next one is the header file section. #include stdio.h. The common definitions of printf, scanf, or similar to that will be included in this header file section. Next, here declaring as a global variable x. Whenever the x is encountered, the value of 20 will be replaced. We can give the use the value of x wherever in the entire program. Next one is int sum int y. It is called as the function declaration. We are going to use the function, so we are telling the computer that we are going to use this function. So it is a function declaration part. Then comes the main function, int main. We are not passing any parameters, so we are giving as void. Since it is the int main, we are giving as return 0. Okay, int y is equal to 55. Print f sum %d sum of y. Here sum is the function, so it will be automatically called. So this part will be called int sum int y. Y is a parameter here. Y is it is a value which is passed from the main function, which the value is equal to 55. And X is a value which is declared globally. That is, here the value of y is 55 and the value of x is 20, which will be returning 20 plus 55. It is 75. So the sum colon 75 will be printed. This is a simple example for the structure of C program. So to conclude, the structure of C program consists of six main functions, sections: documentation, preprocessor section, definition, global declaration, main function, subprograms. The subprograms is also called as a user-defined function. Thank you.